Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change display resolution on a Chuwi GemiBook. And to do this, let's open the Start, go to the settings. Right here we want to locate the system and select the display. Then you can take a look on display resolution and click on the pop-up. From this list you can choose whichever resolution you like. And keep in mind that when changing one of the options, like we're gonna go for Full HD, some black lines might appear, and you can also adjust the scale of your display when changing resolution to make things bigger or smaller. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.